Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to yet another math online session. In today's module, we will learn about forming largest and smallest numbers using the given sets of digits, and also we will learn estimation. In estimation, we will learn how numbers are rounded off to nearest 10. So let's start our session. So first, let us learn how to form largest and smallest numbers using the given sets of digits. Let's take an example. Here we have 4 digits, say 6, 3, 8 and 2, and here we have to form largest 4 digit number. So already there are 4 digits are there. So to form the largest 4 digit number, it is quite easy. We just need to arrange these numbers, arrange these digits in descending order to form the largest 4 digit number. Just to see, as we arrange these numbers in descending order, so 8 comes first, 8, 6, 3, 2. So 8, 6, 3, 2 we in the descending order. Then the number so formed is 8632, which is the largest 4 digit number using the digits 6382. If we are to form the smallest 4 digit number, we just need to arrange these digits in ascending order. So as we arrange in ascending order, just reverse of this: 2, 3, 6, 8. So what is the number so formed? The number is 2368, which is the smallest 4 digit number using this 4 digits 6382. So let's see a different case. So which is, if there are 3 digits are given, just look at the 3 digits. Say for example, digits 3, 5, 2. Only 3 digits are there, and we are asked to form largest and the smallest 4 digit number. Then how do we form largest and smallest 4 digit number in this case? So here, first of all, we need a largest 4 digit number. So let's allocate 4 places. Let's first of all allocate 4 places. Let there be 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there. So repetition is also allowed. So we are going to write the largest 4 digit number. To form the largest 4 digit number, what we have is only 3 digits. So here digits are to be repeated. So which digit is to be repeated here? We are forming the largest 4 digit number. So in this 3, the largest digit to be repeated. So how many times? So 2 times repeated. Then other 2 digits are 3 and 2. So what is the largest 4 digit number using 352? 5532. What is the number? 5532. So in case if we want to get the smallest 4 digit number, how do we write the smallest 4 digit number? So in case of largest number, the largest digit is repeated. So here, to form the smallest 4 digit number, the smallest digit is to be repeated. So first of all, 4 places. So let's allocate 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places are there. So since we are going to write the smallest 4 digit number, the smallest digit is repeated. What is the smallest digit here? 2 is the smallest digit. So 2 we write 2 times. Then next smallest is, out of 3 and 5, 3 is the smallest. Then we write 5. So what is the number so formed? 2235. 2235 is the smallest 4 digit number using the digits 3, 5 and 2. So let's see one more a different case. If only 2 digits are given, just like 4 and 7. Just only 4 and 7 is given, and you have been asked to form the largest 4 digit number and the smallest 4 digit number. So let's write this largest 4 digit number. So largest 4 digit number, how do we write largest 4 digit number? It is just like we did the previous problem. To form the largest 4-digit number, 7 is to be repeated. So if repetition is allowed, so which digit we are writing? We are going to write the largest number. So the digit which is to be repeated is 7. So 7, how many times we can repeat? 7 3 times can be repeated, and because we are writing the 4-digit number, largest 4-digit number, then the last, at last we write 4. So what is the largest 4-digit number using 4 and 7? The answer is 7774. Then we also need the smallest 4-digit number. We also need smallest 4-digit number. So how do we write the smallest 4-digit number? So just just before we wrote largest 4-digit number, and now we can write the smallest 4-digit number. How it is possible? So for writing largest 4-digit number, larger digit is repeated. So for forming the smallest 4-digit number, smaller digit is to be repeated. So smallest digit is 4. So smaller digit is repeated thrice, 3 times. Then at last we write larger digit. So the smallest 4-digit number using 4 and 7 is 4447. I hope you understood. So now if any 2 digits number or 3-digit number, or if any 4-digit number, 4-digit itself is given, you are able to form the largest and smallest 4-digit number. So let's start estimation. So in estimation, let's learn about rounding of nearest 10. So we are starting with the rounding of numbers to nearest 10. Rounding to nearest 10. So in nearest 10, we need to follow a few rules. We have to remember a few rules. The rule is that the digits, if the digits are say 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will remain. The rounding of number will remain. The particular digit will remain same. Remain same. If the digits are like 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, it will be rounded. The particular place will be rounded up. If this first, in the first case, first set of digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number will be rounded down. In the second case, if the digits at the particular place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if these digits are the number will be rounded up. Let's see with some few examples. Just like let's take a 2-digit number, say for example 43. We have to round off this number to nearest 10. So first of all, we are rounding off this number into nearest 10. So let's underline the nearest 10th place digit, and we move back to the previous place. The previous place digit is 3. So just before I said, if the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the digits at the particular place will remain same. So as we round off, this is the underlined digit. This underlined digit is remaining as same. So as 4 itself, and the next place will become 0. So 43 is rounded down as 40. Let's see some more example. If 57 is the next number is 57. So we are rounding this number to nearest 10. So underline the 10th place digit and we move back to the previous place digit. The previous place digit is 7, and we have seen the second case. Second case means if the digits are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we will add 1 with the particular place. So the particular place here means the underlined place. Underlined means nearest 10. So underlined digit, along with that we add 1. So what we get? 5 plus 1, we get 6, and the previous place digit turned as 0. So 57 is rounded up as 60. Let us take some larger number, and we will round off the numbers to nearest 10. So let's take 759. So we are rounding this number to nearest 10. So first of all, let's underline the tens place digit and we move back to the previous place digit, and the previous place digit is 9. So as per the rule, add 1 with the underlined digit. So this previous place digit will turn as 0. 5 plus 1 we get 6, and next this place will remain as it is. So 760. So 759 is rounded up to 760. So let's take two or three more example. It is quite easy. Next number, 9231. So we are rounding this number to nearest to 10. So first step, we underline the tens place digit, then we move back to the previous place digit, and if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 4, digit remain same. So underlined digit will remain same, that is 3 itself. Then previous place digit, if you are rounding up or rounding down, no matter, the previous place digit will be 0. So previous place digit is 0, and before the tens place digit, those digit will also be remain same. So 9231 is rounded down to 9230. And let us take a few more example. Let's take 17,567. So 17,557 is the number. So we are rounding this number to nearest 10. So first step, we underline the particular place digit, that is tens place digit we underline, and then we move back to the previous place digit. Then previous place digit is 7. So the condition for 7 is, if the digits are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we add 1. So we add 1 with the underlined digit, that is the tens place digit. So previous place digit, whether we are rounding up or rounding down, it will be 0. 6 plus 1 we have 7. Then the before 6, what all digits are there, those digits will also be remain same. So 175. So the answer 17,567 is rounded as 17,570. Let's look at for the last example, one more example. So 1,73,234. We are rounding this large number to nearest 10. So underline the smaller place, then we move back to the previous place digit. The previous place digit is 4. If 4 is the digit, we know that 0 to, if the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the underlined digit, the tens place digit will remain same. So we are not adding 1 here. So it will remain same here. So what will happen, 3 we write as it is, and previous place digit will turn as 0, and before underlined digit, before tens place digit, what all digits are there, all those digits will also be remain same. So 1,73,2. So 1,73,234 is rounded as 1,73,230. So I hope you all understand. Thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.